Welcome back to Odom Homestead down here in Growing Zone 7B, Tennessee. Today, coming at you with a weed puller from Deerfamy. It's a stand-up weed puller. It's actually very sturdy. I'm gonna test my product out before I release the video about it. So I've been putting this thing through the test for the last 5 days now. I gotta say, I'm very impressed with it. This is how it looks. Got there's even a little logo there. This piece unscrews just like this. I'll show you how to put it together. You unscrew this one. Very heavy duty. You can unscrew it there, and it also unscrews here, and it unscrews here. And you got this grip. That's how you can tell it's the top, the grip. And you just screw it all back together. And you take this, you go over top of the weed with it, just like that, at the center mass, and then you rock back the opposite way and it closes it, and it pulls it up with you. And it gets the whole root off. I'm gonna show y'all how it works. Works real good in raised beds. I've been using it in my raised beds, strawberry beds, and around my corn and my sweet potatoes to pull them little weeds out. Bermuda grass, it works good on Bermuda grass. It pulls a lot of the root up, but you know how Bermuda grass, it's got that long runner root, so you can't get it all with these, but it helps it a lot. It helps a lot. And you're getting older, you need something where you can't have to bend. And I'm 5'5", and you can see this is hitting me here, so no bending. Let me show you how it works. Always weeds. We try to do our best to alleviate some of it, especially as we get older. You see, I'm just pushing straight down in there. You push it down with your foot if you want to get even deeper. And then you just rock straight back like that and lift up. And you got that whole root. Look at that. So many of them right here, unreal. And it's a rock. Stick it in, rock back, pick up, go back and leave this. Look at that. It's awesome. Go ahead and wipe this whole little patch out right here with you. Y'all can see how effective it is. All that is ready for the compost bin. Roots and all. See that? Amazing. No bend. The only thing would make this easier, somebody else was doing it for you. Man, what's the fun in that? A lot of weeds here. Good Lord. A little. Look how much of it got up. Starting to get proud weeds. Look at that thing. Look at that. Can't tell me this thing don't work. Hold on, pull back up. Stuff with a large tap root, you have to push down more, probably with your foot, try to get all of it in there. Just for these ones with the shallow root, I work tough. The middle grass, look at that. Can't beat that. What's that? You can use this on in your driveway, your lawn, and your garden. For me, it's a game changer. Help my back, help them old legs. I'm not getting no younger. And there's our pile of weeds that we pulled with the stand-up weed puller from Deerfamy. Thank y'all for tuning in. Once again, it's Odom Homestead down here in Growing Zone 7B, Tennessee. Y'all stay blessed.